This looked like something out of a movie. Can you all see it? It's a cloudy morning, but it's also the sun is trying to beam through. But it looks like a 6 o'clock p.m., maybe 8 o'clock p.m., something like that, as if it's nighttime right here in this section. Can you all see that cloud? It's like moving. And then when the clouds disperse, it looks like the moon. And then it turns into the sun. So amazing. I just felt like capturing this. Wow. Nature. And then you can see it's blue over there. But this right here, it was like the moon was shining in the daytime. Wow. Just to capture the clouds moving and we stand still like the movie, the day the earth stood still. That's how I feel. Now you can see the light coming back. You see the moon or the sun? Isn't that amazing? Wow, what a transition. Okay, I had a moment. It felt graceful, it felt pleasant, the breeze is blowing, and I just wanted to capture this for myself. This is great. Look closely, everybody. Do you see that? Like a wolf is going to howl. But either way, we already know nature is beautiful. We actually live in a live picture. My mom always say we live in a live picture, and it's true. The birds in the air, the fish in the sea, the squirrels, butterflies, and now you see the clouds moving. Wow. Okay, I had a moment, and I am glad I captured this. And maybe it'll be touching for someone else out there. Taking consideration that life is so precious, is what I want to say. If I can reach up to the sky, I would. Sometimes you do want to just get a little bit of that cloud, like a little fluff. I've always visualized just grabbing a piece of cloud. But anyway, we can always dream, and dreams do come true. Okay, everybody. I pray that you have a beautiful day and rejoice and be glad in it. Because this is the day the Lord has made, and He loves us more than we love ourselves. And He is alive and well. You can see it. This is nature at its best. A beautiful autumn fall day. See you.